Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona, and as it's getting towards the end of the year, I thought I would use up some of my leftovers. I've got some white here as well, and I thought I'd fill this cup up, go around in circles, maybe a bit of a ring pour, maybe a bit of lines. I don't know, I'm just going to play. Let's get started. Alright, so what goes in my cup first comes out last. So I'm just going to put a little bit of white in there, and then I'm going to pick one of my blues. Let's go this one. I'm guessing this is probably phthalo blue, and I'm going to follow it up with this light blue. I'm not sure what this one is. Going to add a little bit of, this is turquoise, I think. I wanted a bit of the green sort of in there. Yeah, that's turquoise blue, and we'll put some iridescent white, and then I'm going to put some yellow in, because this is probably the only yellow that's going in. Not much there at all. See if I can scrape some out. Okay, that's that one finished. I've got a bit of gold. Let's use that up as well, next to the yellow. And a little bit of the orange. I'm going to add a bit of swipe mix in here because I want to see what that's going to do. So I mean, I've been doing acrylic pouring for a year now, but I still feel like I've got so much to learn. I'm going to put a dark colour in here now. This one was scraped up from a painting. Got light blue, it's got quite a bit of that. Getting lighter and lighter and lighter, go iridescent white. It's quite thick. And this is like a bronze, it's really pretty. Orange. Just a little bit of this copper. Some white. Turquoise. Bright blue. Probably didn't need a cup this big. I would really like to get this a bit fuller. Oh no, I've just put straight Floetrol in. That's going to make that part runny. I don't know what that's going to do. This could be a happy accident, and then again, it might not. Oh. What have I done? Maybe I'll put a bit of this in. I'll mix this up. I don't know what that, because that Floetrol is not going to mix in. And it's thinner. It's just going to it's going to make it run weird somewhere, I know it. The most important part of this kind of thing is getting all your consistencies similar to each other. And now I've put some random thing in there. Oh well, can't help it now, it's in there. Just going to do that for fun. And I think I'm going to sort of go around and then sort of come in. Let's try that. Oh, I can see it's runny. I like that blue that's coming out. So I'm going to take that around. We've got some cells and stuff happening over here. It could be from that Floetrol. I feel like let's there we go, use something a bit thicker. Let's try that again. I'm not sure about this here. I do want to try maybe this lipping thing. That was cool, that one. I preferred that to the first one. So I'll try the first one again. All right. All right, I'm going to lose some of this pretty stuff, I think. Or shall I try? Let's try and keep it. Let's turn some of these upside down. I'm looking forward to seeing this dry. It's got some nice shimmer in it. So here is the wet result. Now I've left that light on above that you can see right there in the middle, because it actually really helps to get that little bit of shimmer going through here and here. I really need to come up with a solution for my lighting, but for now this is what we have. Yeah, some really pretty stuff going along in here. I'm not sure about the color scheme, but yeah, it is what it is. I will bring you back when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result, and I'm just going to show you the shine. It's not dramatic, but there are little bits of shine through there. I quite like this piece going through here. I'll bring you in. It's probably the bit I like the most. Lots of sort of spirally bits. Got a bit of the orangey copper colour just through here and down the bottom. So on the outer edges it's a bit more less busy, I guess. That's it for that one. And probably my last one for the year. So I hope you all have a good time seeing out the new year, and I will see you all next year. Bye.